Kahit na muna, tapos.
We would like to thank you, Ma'am, Sir, for giving us an opportunity to serve Just Right, of course. As we all know, ito yung pinili namin ng company because from all the companies, kami rin yung pinili ninyo with the applicants po. And ang dami po namin natutunan is not just about with ourselves, but also the company, yung teamwork. As much as possible, we want the group talaga to pass. Kasi hindi namin parang naisip namin last time kung paano kung may palalaglag dalawa or isa, tatlo, ganun. As yun po talaga, teamwork talaga. And yun to, thankful po kami masyado kasi maraming kaming learnings with you, especially sa site sa cardio, kay Ma'am Adet, and the rest po. Yun lang, Ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. So guys, know na nandito rin ang marketing to support you all the way. So ang totoong laban is sa labas.
Yes, Ma'am.
So huwag niyo kakalimutan yung mga natutunan niyo dito at huwag natin i-shortcut ang detailing as much as possible. Kasi syempre, sabi niya I think sinabi ni Sir Aris yung kanina na dapat naiiba tayo sa iba or sa lahat. Kahit na local company tayo, we still strive to be excellent kasi we are Just Right. So, you have to be a representation of who Just Right is sa areas ninyo para makita niyo, iba talaga si Just Right. So, own the company as if it's your own business. And if you have questions, hindi kayo sure, you ask us kasi we're willing naman to help and support you all. And ask, of course, specifically yung mga DMs nyo who will be there talaga to guide you every day.
Yes.
So, congrats! And Sir Alfred, di ba, would you agree, Sir Aris, sila yung group na compared to the last month na talagang nag-aaral, nag-group, talagang nag-group study kayo, tapos naalala ko parang si Jacka kinuha pa yung manuals kasi mag-e-exam kayo. So kayo yung group na nakita namin na talagang siniseryoso niyo yung training. Kasi other groups kasi may mga problema din, but sa inyo nakita namin na very consistent in terms of Pero again, importante more than the grades, attitude. No, we take it seriously. So even if you're in the area, make sure that you represent the company very well with your attitude towards your workmates and with the doctors and with your different accounts. Kasi syempre kung ano yung pinapakita nyo is a reflection of the company. Diba? So, God bless and sana makabenta tayo this year sa lahat ng products natin.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wala. So, mag-ingat lang kayo ha sa pag-uwi nyo.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, get
Magaling,
well soon po,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Magalingan nyo sa labas.
Yapo.
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you sa
Thank you, ma'am.
efforts.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yung certificate, di ba kasi naman ni Sir EDR? So, pabalik na lang muna. Pero